Guys, welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and if you're new, a special welcome to you. Now guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete saved reels on Instagram. So once you're inside Instagram, guys, and you saved any reel, I'm going to go ahead and save this reel here of Messi by simply clicking on this ribbon button on the lower right hand side. Now once you say turn full white, it simply means that it's saved, right? And in order to go ahead and to delete this reel, and all I have to do is just tap on it again, and it will be unsaved. Right now, in order to see additional reels that you've saved, let's say you have quite a lot of reels that you've saved before. In order to see those reels, all you have to do is just simply go ahead and click your profile on the lower right hand side. Then you want to click the burger menu on the uppermost right hand side, and then you will see the option here that says saved. You can see it, so click on that, and here you will see all those saved posts. So you want to click on that again, and you will see those reels. Now, in order to delete these reels, guys, all you have to do is just simply tap on them, and then you want to go ahead and tap on the save button as well on the lower right hand side. And once you tap on that, you will see it will be unsaved because it will not be in the full white. And you have to do that by simply doing the same on any one of those reels that you want to delete or unsaved. Very easy and very simple. Now once you go back, you realize that those are unsaved. It will be empty, and that's all you have to do to unsaved or to delete those saved reels on Instagram. Very easy and very simple, guys.